Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day or had a great time with their mom and family. So, anyway, what I wanted to do today was address exit strategies. And I wanted to go over some math. So, if you're a math person, this might be good. If you're not, this might be helpful for you. So, I'll try to be as slow as I can to show you the steps that I did in my calculations. So, what I wanted to do is tighten up my exit strategies in terms of when I get into a trade, I want to know what point should I be ready to sell as opposed to, oh, this price looks good, let me sell it now. So what I did was I went and looked at my trade for ONT, ontology, and so here are the numbers. So let's look at just this area up here. All right. So I bought it at 0009615. I bought this many coins, 22.46, and the cost at the time when I bought this many, so basically you're going to be multiplying these and you're going to get this much. Okay, so this is how much I spent. This is the price that Bitcoin was around that time. It was May 5th. And so the actual amount that I invested was 212 bucks. Okay? All right, cool. And the way I got that was you take this cost, all right, and you multiply that by the price of Bitcoin, and that gives you about how much, pretty much a close idea of how much you actually spent on that investment. All right, cool. All right, so and this is what you can find in your back office, in your actual trade. So you would just go to order history, and then you would go ahead and find the specific trade you're looking for. If you have to change the date, and then search, and it'll give you all of your trades, and you can find out that information. All right, cool. So let's go back to the exchange. So anyway, this is how much I put in. So what I want to do is I want to start making, let's just say I'm using 30% as a round figure to do this calculation. So if I want to make 30% on this trade, all right, so now I have to do some calculations. So I grab a calculator out and I take 30% and multiply it by this amount. Okay, so you type this into computer and the calculator and you multiply by 0.3 and you get this amount, which means you now have to take this, add it to this, and that is how much you're going to sell your ONT coins at. So let's go back to the chart. I bought on May 5th, and I bought it right around here where the two blue lines are intersecting. So I bought it somewhere around here because that was May 5th, and I bought it at 0009615. So somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. And so now, if I want to make 30% on this trade, I now have to I have to wait for it to get to, let's go back to my calculation. I have to wait for it to get to 0.001249. Okay, so it is now here. So of course the whole market pulled back, but I have to wait for it to go up to 0.00, let me get it right again, 1249, which actually is very close to the high. Very, very close to that. Oh, awesome. I got some more coins that are coming in from mining. Awesome. Nice job. So anybody who's doing pack mining, by the way, that means some new coins are coming in. So great. Glad those are coming in. So let me get rid of that. Put that back up here. So anyway, I would have to just wait for it to get back from here and just wait it out for it to get up to here for me to get my 30% return on this trade. All right, so basically, again, all I did was I just decided for myself I want 30%. You can decide for yourself if you want 5% or 10% or 100%. You can decide for yourself. Okay, whatever you want to be comfortable with in terms of your trading, you make that decision. So I just randomly chose not 30% to go through this example. All right. So again, all I did was I found out what I bought, where I bought it at. And of course, I set this price because I'm always aggressive in my trading. So at the time, this was a good price. Okay, so now that I set this price and I got the coins and I'm in the trade, now I'm going to say, hey, I want to make 30% off of this. So I'm willing to wait for as long as it takes because I want 30%. So what I do is I take 30% and multiply it by this, and I get this amount. Okay, this decimal amount. Then I take this amount, I add it to this, and now this tells me what I need to sell it at. I need to put my sell order in at that. So let's go ahead and do that. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, I don't think I have any sell orders in, but let's go ahead and put one in. Let me copy that. Paste. And I'm going to sell 22 point, I didn't paste. Okay, I gotta type it in. 0.00, make sure I go get it. 1249. 124995. And I'm going to do just those 22.46 because that's what I did this calculation off of. Alright. So when I put this in here, this is how much I want to sell it at. This is the price point I'm dictating I want to sell it at. This is the number of coins, and this tells me, it does a calculation for me to tell me how many Bitcoins I'm going to get. And if you notice, it's pretty much exactly what I already calculated. Okay, because I took 30% and I multiplied it by this, and that's how I got this here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click sell. Please input correct price. But I want to get it at that price. Is it not going to let me put in a future order? That's interesting. Let me check again. That's 1082. That's exactly what I want to put it at. Now, most of these, unless I'm doing something incorrect, most of these... There we go. Okay, I had to put a 0 in front of the decimal. Okay, so they will let you put in a future order, and that future order will sit here for as long as it takes for you to get the price you want to get. Okay, it could be a day, it could be a week, it could be a year, but at least I know that when this sells, I'm going to make 30% off of this trade. And that's what I decided. So again, I wanted to share that with you because I want you to be aggressive in your trading, and I also want you to be able to decide how much you want to get. What is your desired return? You dictate this, and then all you have to do is do the math to go through it, and that tells you exactly what your sale price is, and you set that into the system. Okay, all right, so I just wanted to show you that real quick, and again, don't forget to put that extra 0 in front of that decimal point to make sure that it goes into the system. All right, everyone, you guys take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.